Hi there. Do you ever wonder why some people always have money left at the end of the month? While you struggle to save a dime, most people fail to save money, not because they earn too little, but because they don't track it properly. They don't realize where it's slipping away. In this video, I'll reveal 7 proven strategies to save money consistently, even if your income is low. Stay with me because tip 7 is something most people completely ignore. And it's the secret to finally having financial control. Before you can save, you need to know exactly how much money you earn and spend. Write down all your income sources, salary, freelance work, side hustles. Then track every expense for a week, or better yet, a full month. Curious? Most beginners are shocked to find at least one hidden money leak every month. It might be a subscription you forgot about, a small daily habit, or an extra coffee you didn't realize. Add it up. Finding just one of these leaks can free up hundreds of dollars without changing your lifestyle. Imagine seeing it all laid out, seeing exactly where your money goes. It gives a feeling of control that is almost addictive. And once you know, you can actually do something about it. Now, here's a strategy most people don't follow. Instead of saving what's left over at the end of the month, which is usually nothing, pay yourself first. Treat savings like a non-negotiable bill. Curious? Even saving just $5 to $10 a day adds up. That's $1,800 to $3,600 a year. Without cutting your lifestyle, this is the hidden hack successful savers use every month. And the best part, it doesn't feel like sacrifice, because it's automated. You don't have to think about it. It just happens. Next, let's talk about goals. You can't save blindly. You need a purpose. Set realistic goals, even small ones, like an emergency fund, a new phone, a vacation, or even micro-investing. Curious? Saving just $50 a month might not feel like much, but in a year, that's $600. And over time, consistent small wins compound. They keep motivation high and prevent financial overwhelm. People who see small results stay on track. People who don't see results quit, and we don't want that. Now let's get into hidden money leaks. These are the small daily expenses that silently drain your income. Coffee, snacks, subscriptions, impulse buys. Fun fact, a $2 latte every day adds up to over $700 a year. And most people don't even notice. Curious? When you start tracking, these small leaks become obvious. And removing them can give you hundreds, sometimes thousands, in extra savings each year. And you won't even feel the pinch because it's just trimming waste. Of course, tracking manually can be a chore. That's where tools come in. Apps and spreadsheets can save time and increase accuracy. Mint, YNAB, Pocket Guard. They automatically categorize your expenses, show trends, and even alert you to overspending. Curious? Most people ignore the charts and insights. But reviewing them weekly makes the difference between poor and smart money management. It's like having a personal finance coach in your pocket, guiding you silently. But tracking isn't enough. You have to review, analyze, and adjust. Tracking without reviewing is like collecting receipts and throwing them in a drawer. Ask yourself, where did most of my money go this month? What surprised me? What can I cut without suffering? For example, maybe you planned $200 for eating out, but spent $300? That's not failure. That's information. Now you know. And next month, you can adjust. This small habit is what separates consistent savers from inconsistent ones. Let's talk about consistency. The real magic happens when tracking becomes a habit. Track daily, automate alerts. Include even the small expenses. Review weekly. Don't wait until month end. Small corrections early prevent big problems later. Curious? Professionals who track daily report feeling less stressed. They feel in control, and money no longer disappears mysteriously. And if you use crypto or other digital assets, this is crucial. Never mix your investment tracking with daily spending. Apps like CoinStats or Blockfolio help track crypto separately. Ignoring this step leads to overspending, confusion, and missed savings opportunities. Curious? Most beginners waste months learning this the hard way, but you can skip the mistakes and gain control fast. Finally, remember this. Saving money isn't about restriction, it's about awareness. Awareness leads to control, and control leads to confidence. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Start today, track daily, review weekly, adjust monthly. Over time, you'll stop wondering where your money went, and you'll finally have financial control. Thanks for watching Smart Money Lab. If this helped, like this video, subscribe for more money-saving tips, and comment below your biggest expense surprise. I'll show you how to fix it in the next video.